for our third question, we are getting a function which is given in its intercept form. So what is given actually? X minus 2, x plus 2 and x minus 5. So this is actually 3-degree polynomial or function, and if it is given in intercept form, it means we can clearly find the intercepts. So this will give 2, this will give minus 2, and this will give 5, which means the curve will cross the x-axis at these 3 points. What are those points? X equal to 2, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 5. Now the next thing is that how the curve will look like. You know, if we are getting 3 intercepts, it means the curve will have 2 turning points. What does it mean? This is minus 2, this is 2, and this is 5. The curve will have 2 turning points, and those 2 turning points will be between 2 intercepts. So this could be like this, one case, and the other case will be this and this. Which I will take? That will be dependent on the coefficient of the x cube. So coefficient of x cube, we will get x comma x comma x. When we multiply these 3, we will get x cube. So this is plus, and this is plus. So plus 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 and plus plus. So we will get positive coefficient of x cube. And positive coefficient of x cube means we will get this type of graph. Why? Because end behavior shows if this is positive, the coefficient is positive, we will get infinity at x equal to infinity and minus infinity at x equal to minus infinity. So when this is passed, then we can understand that we have only one option to draw the graph, and that will be this. Okay.